Hello, sir. Hello, guys. Good morning. How are you all? Really fine? Very good, very good, very good. Respected dignitaries on the dais, respected correspondent, sir, respected principal, sir, and my friend and brother Vinay and Vishnu, sir. Namaste to everyone, and I would like to extend my greetings to all the teachers of this school and the students. Okay, guys, what's the special of today? What is mean by sports day? Playing what games? Any games and all games. So who is going to win? Guys, could you please raise your hands for all decide to win? Okay. Assume if you are all participating in a game, then who will be winning the game? Still everyone? Okay, guys. Let me ask you a few questions, and the answer for every question, whatever I ask, right? The answer is humans. Okay? Okay. Okay, whatever I ask, the answer should be humans. What should be the answer? Louder, 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 louder. Very good, very good, very good. Guys, who is sitting on the ass? Who is sitting there? Who am I? Who will win the race? Who will lose the race? Who is the leader? Who is the soldier? Who constructed this building? Who manufactured the car? Who can demolish the building? Who can repair the car? That means what? Yes, man. Questions are over. Questions are over. Okay. So, what I would like to tell here, right? Anything that we would like to achieve in our life, the one who is achieving in our lives is a human. That means the one who is much desired, the one who is much motivated, the one who is much inspired. Especially we can tell the one who is much determined to win his life with his mindset, he is the winner. The one who is lacking confidence in his determination to win the race is the runner, we can tell, not the loser. So, people win in your athletic games or in your school competitions or in your examinations, right? The mindset is very, 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 very important. The guy who comes 10th rank in the class, once he decides that, yes, I can do something, because the one who is securing the first rank in the class is also a human. Come on, tell. Who is securing the first class in the class? Who is securing the 10th rank in the class? So what is the difference between both? It's nothing but a mindset. So when you feel low in your life, think like when a lock is being manufactured by a human, the solution, the key is also manufactured by a human. Same way, the one who is securing the first rank in your class, the one who is getting the winner position in your running race, the one who is securing the top position in your athletics, is also a human. If we believe that, yes, I am the human, yes, I have the confidence to break something in my life, yes, I am the human, I can think in such a way that what he is thinking. Everyone has got the same organs, everyone has got the same body structure which is designed by the nature. The only thing, the difference from every individual is the mindset. When you think that, yes, I can crack something in my life, then you will surely crack. When the guy who is securing the 10th rank in the class, or the guy who is getting the second position in the running, if he or she decides that why not I cannot compete with the first rank in the class, or why cannot I become the first position in the running or athletics, it's nothing but your mindset. So will you guys change your mindset from now onwards? Very good, guys, very good, very good. Remember, there is nothing which is manually created or which is just created by nature. Everything is created by a human.
The one who has launched the rocket is a human. The one who has been to the space shuttle is the human. The one who has constructed the school is the human. The one who is speaking to you is also a human. Remember, only humans can create the many wonders in this world. Whatever if you want to do, whenever you decide to do something in your life, just decide, yes, I am the human. Just remember for a second, what am I? What am I? If you remember I am a human, when other human being is able to crack it, why not I? Then surely you guys will all be the winners for one day. Okay guys, that's one point that I would like to tell. The other point that I would like to share with you is, participate in anything. In the life, there are only two options. One is winning and other one is, that's it. There is nothing wrong, right? But the one who is not participating in it will not be in any board of names. Assume there is a race, like running race for 100 meters in SSPYV. There are 6 guys who is competing in the race. Assume the one will get the first prize, the second will get the second prize, and the third will get the third prize, and the remaining 3 guys will be the participants. But the class strength is 50 members. Out of 50 members, if only 6 members are participating, at least the one who got the 3, 4, 5, 6 positions, their names will be in the chartboard or somewhere. But the one who is not participating in any race, right, their names will not be at anywhere. Similar way, in the life, whatever the opportunity you get, whatever the situation that you get to prove yourself, come on, there are only 2 options. One is winning, another one is losing. There is nothing wrong in losing, but if you lose also, your name will be on the board. Guys, and I wish you all the very best for this sports day, and already the respected dignitaries and our other sir has told the importance of the sports day, and I wish you all the very good luck and do well, and thank you so much for giving this opportunity. Thank you.